day 46 of Road to Becoming a Full-Time Day Trader. Yeah, another boring day today. Again, probably another short video, exactly the same as yesterday. It's pretty much going to be the same video as yesterday. Don't expect much. Probably don't even watch this video, to be honest. But yeah, I'll get straight into it. My bias today was bullish as we broke to the upside on both indexes. So I was waiting for price to go down, sweep liquidity, and then maybe inverse a gap or create a fair value gap, and we go into it. So market opens here. Yeah, market opens here. We don't sweep any liquidity. However, pre-market we did sweep this this liquidity here with this move up, and we didn't sweep it on Nasdaq. So we created an SMT here to the downside. I was hoping that would just make us, well, this big candle here. I was hoping we swept out London low, which was this one here somewhere. So I was hoping we created this gap. So I was waiting for us to inverse it. Maybe I just want to see what was happening with that gap. On ES, we didn't sweep London low. We just had a big down candle and then just absolutely nothing. I just saw all this for the whole hour and 15. I wasn't happy taking a short really. Because the way market was moving, it's just moving really boring. But yeah, on Nasdaq, Nasdaq was the only one with the gap. So I was waiting to see if we can inverse or do anything with it. We don't even do anything. We don't touch it. We don't do nothing. We just go keep going down a bit more. And then, yeah, as you can see, just do this. I was really hoping we could inverse that gap. We've got some gaps on the 15-minute. So that would have maybe put me off taking a long if we had. I probably would have waited for that gap here to be inversed. Although I think if we inverse this 5-minute gap, we would inverse 15. So never mind. So yeah, if we inverse the 5-minute gap, I would have been happy looking for a long, but we didn't do anything with it. I don't know if we're gonna go in and touch this 15-minute gap now and go further down. I'm not sure, but this week's been a really slow, boring week. I think I took 2 trades this week. I think it was Monday and Tuesday, and Wednesday maybe. So 3, maybe. I don't remember. No, I took one Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah. I'm down on the week. It's unfortunate. I reset my account, so it's been a pretty rubbish week. But yeah, like I said, not really much to say about it, to be honest. ES was the worst out of both indexes today, because it's like, yeah, you can just see it really did nothing. Like there was nothing to take from it. Not really a possible trade. The only trade that you could have took was like a pre-market trade. So we swept liquidity here, and then we tapped into this gap on both indexes. So the only trade you would have been able to take was pre-market, but I don't really want to do that. But yeah, tapped into there, and then probably targeted some lows here, or maybe even this low here, which we wouldn't even tap there. We wouldn't even hit take profit yet. But yeah, I don't do that. So yeah, that's all I've really got to say. I'll check next week if we got any news. Hopefully, because that makes it a bit more exciting, so it's not as boring. Okay, Monday we got orange follow news. That doesn't say. Was I even meeting tentative? I'm not sure. Okay, we got orange follow news at 3 p.m. on Tuesday. Okay, that's better. We got red follow news 1:30 on Wednesday. Okay, we got news every single day. So hopefully next week is a bit better week. I do hope so. But yeah, thank you for watching. Back all next week, Monday to Friday. Trading, hopefully winning. But yeah, thanks for watching. Boom.